Today we're going to show you one of our favorite gate latches. It'll make your life a little easier. Okay, so when you're talking about gate latches, some of the things you want to consider are: how easy is it to open one-handed? Is it easy to open from a horse or from the ground? How much does it cost? Is it, some of the gate latches are kind of expensive. And then how sturdy is it, or how secured? Is it going to be easily moved, or is it going to break easily? So this is one you'll see quite often. It's a little clip with a chain, pretty strong depending on how big a clip you use. The only problem with this is it takes two hands to open up and to close. And so if you're leading a horse, or you've got maybe a bag of feed, or you got something in your other hand and you're trying to carry something through there, it's a little bit difficult. You got to set things down to open and close it. It's not the most conducive to being efficient. So one of the things that I've seen on some ranches, and I made a couple of them up, were a little hook. You can use like a grab hook for a chain, or this one's actually a repair coupler that they use to repair chain. And I welded on a little piece of plate there, drilled a couple holes in it. Now you can either weld it straight to your metal pipe, or if you have wood posts, you can either, if it's a square post, you can bolt it on there, or you can curve it to match your wood post, and that makes it really nice. So I've got one on here, and what I'm going to do is, you can see, I'm going to take this off. And you can attach your chain to this, or sometimes your gate will already have a chain on it. So then you can just put that on there, and then you're ready to go. You can just take that chain, stick it up there. Now the nice thing about this is, the chain's pretty heavy, so it's pretty secure. And when you go to close it, easy to do with one hand. The other thing I like about this is you can do it from horseback. I like to have this hook a little above the gate. And the reason I like that is because when they start pulling on it, it actually lifts this end of the gate up. If they're pushing on it, some cattle or horses will kind of get their head over there and push on a little bit. As you push, it's actually going to want to raise this gate up as it comes tight. So the nice thing about this is you can do it horseback as well as afoot, and you can do it one-handed. And it's pretty secure, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. You'll find some latches that are pre-made, factory-made, and they're really nice, but they're expensive. And we use some of them on the gates that we go through a lot. Man, it makes them really look really nice. Like I say, they look really cool. But some of them are 30, 40, 50 bucks, and so this one's pretty cheap. Doesn't cost a lot of money, and it's really secure, and you can use one-handed. So I hope this tip helps you. Makes it a little bit more efficient when you're feeding horses, especially when the weather isn't too good, it's rainy or cold or whatever. So hope this tips helps you. Check out our other videos on tips that'll make your life a little easier on the farm.